Hey, this is Kevin again, and today we got a phone call from a buddy of mine named Sean, and him and his wife has given me a 2000 Dodge Dakota crew cab. I've not seen this vehicle yet. They've just told me about it. They don't know how many miles are on it or nothing, and we're gonna go pick it up tonight real fast. Hopefully I can get out there before dark. It's about 8 o'clock right now, so it's getting dark really fast. But we're gonna go pick it up, and I'm hoping to have it. They say it runs but not strong right now, so I'm hoping to have it fixed to where it's running and driving, and then I'm just gonna sell it. I'm not gonna invest too much into this one and see where it goes, but I want to do it fast, easy, and get rid of it. We'll see what we see when we get it. So last night went and picked up the Dodge Dakota, the 2000, from a buddy of ours, and it was a little too dark by the time I got there and picked it up to take any video, but she's got a lot of rust, but again, she's free, so whatever profit there is, I'm just gonna buy stuff to make my videos a little bit better and whatnot. She comes with extra stuff. Brand new tires. It's got the crew cab. The mirrors are missing. I'm pretty sure I've got a set on the shelf. They're brand new. The battery was shot. It's got the 4.7 liter in it. Motor could use a cleaning, but she runs pretty decent. So we're gonna go ahead and put on new terminals and whatnot. Corrosion's really gotten in there. I'm gonna clean that all out and install a battery and get her running and install some mirrors. But other than that, truck really doesn't need all too much. You know, it's been sitting for a little while, so I'll look it over, make sure at least it's safe. They kept it pretty clean. It's got roughly about 160,000 miles. But let me go ahead and clean up that corrosion and whatnot and put on new battery terminals, and that way I can start her up for you guys. Alright, this is a little update on the Dodge Dakota. I meant to take a video while doing it, but it was going together a little too easy. We put the mirrors on it, we added a battery to it, and we gave it an oil change. That's all we really did to it. It's up at the auction place right now. We didn't really clean it out too much. It's a truck. It's a cheap truck. I'm not worried about it too much. We left the little roll bar in there just in case the new owner, whoever wins it, will want to install it. I told the auction place to add it or don't add it. It doesn't matter. Other than that, give it about a couple weeks and see what it sells for. See what kind of money we can make on it. What kind of supplies we can buy for the shop out of the profit and make better videos. But this is just a little update on it. I don't have the keys, otherwise I would start at the auction place. Already has the keys and title and everything. But give me a couple weeks and we'll do an update on it to see what it sold for.